Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you what to do in case you do not receive the authentication code sent by Facebook. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So you're trying to log into your Facebook application, but when you try to log in, since you've activated two-factor authentication, you should be sent a code, but you're not receiving this code. Now what you're going to do is simple. The first thing you're going to do is make sure that Facebook has access to your SMS or your phone. So for that, go ahead and long press on the Facebook application, tap on app info, and under app info you'll be able to see app permission. Tap on it. Make sure that the app permissions for call logs or contacts and phone for your Facebook has been set to allowed, and once you've done that, head on over back. You'll be able to see the notifications options. Tap on it. Make sure that the notifications for Facebook is turned on as well. Once you've done that, you should be able to receive the two-factor authentication code. However, if you're still not receiving this code, then the next thing you're going to do is repeat the same process. Go to app info, but this time what you're going to do is you're going to force stop this application. Now, if you've just opened the application, you should be able to see the force stop option enabled. Once you've tapped on it, you tap on OK to confirm that you want to force stop this application. Once you've done that, head on over to the storage under app info and tap on clear data. Once you've tapped on clear data, tap on clear cache and confirm that you want to clear cache by tapping on OK. Now head on back and you should be able to receive the two-factor authentication code. It may take a while, but you'll be able to receive the code. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.